Hello everyone, welcome to Progress Consulting Service Private Limited and thank you for joining us today. Today, we will demonstrate the Asset MRO Equipment Maintenance Management Module demonstration. This application extends Odoo Standard Maintenance Module by introducing material requisition, job orders, equipment maintenance checklist, and plant maintenance materials, enabling organizations to efficiently manage their complete maintenance, repair, and operations process within a single integrated workflow. So, basically, managing equipment maintenance efficiently is often a challenge for organizations. Some common issues include maintenance teams are often unaware of the materials required before starting a maintenance job. Inspection checklists are not standardized, leading to inconsistent maintenance procedures. Material requisitions and job orders are created manually, resulting in duplicate work and unnecessary delays. There is limited traceability between maintenance requests, job orders, and material requisitions. Maintenance reports often lack important information such as plant materials and completed inspection checklists. So, this module addresses these challenges by providing a structured and automated maintenance workflow. So, let's begin with the equipment. Each equipment record includes dedicated maintenance checklist tab. Here, maintenance manager can configure a standard set of inspection and maintenance activities that should be performed whenever maintenance is carried out on that equipment. Typical checklist items are visual inspection, hydraulic oil check, lubrication, belt inspection, safety device verification, operational testing. Once configured, these checklist items are automatically copied into every maintenance request created for the equipment, ensuring technicians follow a consistent and standardized maintenance procedure while reducing manual data entry. So, next step is maintenance plan materials. This step allows maintenance manager to predefine the spare parts, consumables, lubricants and replacement components that are typically required during maintenance for selected equipment. Examples include filters, hydraulic oil, bearings, grease, belts, replacement components. User can configure the required products and plan quantities once at the equipment level. Whenever a maintenance request is created, these planned materials are automatically transferred, eliminating repetitive data entry, improving inventory planning, and ensuring technicians have complete visibility of the required materials before maintenance begins. Here in the configuration, we can see here maintenance checklist which we have configured from the configuration. Here you can see all the details of checklist name and its descriptions. Same here we can see maintenance teams with team members and team name. Now here we have already created a maintenance request. Let's create a new maintenance request. Here select the required equipment and save the record. The, the system automatically copies both the planned maintenance materials and maintenance equipment checklist from the equipment configuration into the maintenance request. This significantly reduces manual work while ensuring every maintenance activity follows predefined standards. Now, notice that every checklist item configured for the equipment has been automatically added to the maintenance request. During maintenance execution, technician can complete each checklist item, helping ensure inspection are properly documented and maintenance procedures are consistently followed. Here, all predefined maintenance materials have already been populated automatically from the equipment configuration. This provides technicians with complete visibility of the spare parts and consumables required before maintenance begins, improving planning and reducing the chances of missing critical materials. So, once maintenance planning is complete, we can create job order. So, the application automatically creates a job order linked to the maintenance request. The job order contains all the necessary information required to execute maintenance work efficiently. User can also monitor and manage all job orders from the dedicated job orders menu using both list and Kanban views. Here we can see maintenance request reference is stored on the job order. Now back to the maintenance request. So maintenance requires spare parts or consumables materials. We can create material requisitions. The system automatically generates a material requisition link both the maintenance request and job order. All plant maintenance materials are automatically transferred into the requisitions, making inventory planning and material procurement faster, more accurate, and fully traceable. Users can review and manage all material requisitions from dedicated menu. So notice that the document maintains reference to both originating maintenance request and job order, providing complete traceability throughout the maintenance process. This integration simplifies inventory planning, purchasing activities, and maintenance tracking. Finally, generate the maintenance request PDF report. Here we can print maintenance request PDF report. So the PDF report includes equipment information, maintenance details, plant materials, and maintenance checklist. The result is a comprehensive maintenance document that is ideal for technicians, supervisors, maintenance records, and audit purposes. The Asset MRO Equipment Maintenance Management module delivers a complete maintenance workflow by extending Odoo standard maintenance application with equipment maintenance checklists, plant maintenance materials, maintenance requests, job orders, material requisitions, and enhanced reporting. Organizations can standardize maintenance procedures, improve maintenance planning, optimize resource utilization, reduce manual effort, and maintain complete traceability throughout the entire maintenance lifecycle. Thank you for watching this demonstration. For implementation, customization, migration, or support services, please contact Probis Consulting Service Private Limited. Thank you.